Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerry. Today I am going to go to the planting of maize so that I look for vegetables. And as you can see here, these are some trees here. It is down there. You can see the roads, how the roads are, small roads here at the village here. And this is the bag that I'm going to use to go and see if I can get some vegetables. I'm going now. This is the small road, as you can see. Small roads down. This is another garden here. This is napier grass here. These are some bricks here. Someone wants to build a house, as you can see here. So you are across. This is the maize plantation. This is some beans. They are almost ready, as you can see. They are almost ready. You can see them. They are inside here. See, they are planted inside. This is also the napier grass here. It's all around way. You can see the beans. See the beans here in the village. We plant beans, as you can see. This is the beans here. They are almost ready. Here, as you can see them. Here, they are here, as you can see them. This is the beans, and this is the maize, the corn, the maize. It's almost ready. It's almost ready, as you can see. See the beans here. They're almost ready. There. This is the napier grass. Someone who has cows know what is napier grass here. As you can see, napier grass here. This is the village. This is really the village. Natural village. Natural plantation, as you can see. This is all the planting of maize. It's from our garden here, as you can see here. Soon we are going to harvest, like the month of July and August. The maize is going to be ready and it's going to be dry so that it will be ready for cooking, like for grinding and cooking ugali. Here in the village we plant maize, and we usually, from these corn plantains, this is where we get maize from, so that we get corn flour for ugali. In the village we usually eat ugali every evening. That is our main food here at the village. This is the guava tree, but you can see there is no fruit. It's like it is finished. It's not there. Okay, let's go to what brought me here. Now I am in the maize planting, and here I am picking some vegetables. As you can see here, these are some vegetables here. some vegetables. Here in the village we eat leaves from the beans leaves. They are eaten. Whoever who has not eaten the beans leaves, here are the leaves of the beans. Here, as you can see, I am now picking some of the beans leaves that is going, it is also eaten. You don't only eat the beans, but we also eat the beans leaves. Here I'm picking. I'm picking here. You can see the beans here, but I am only picking the leaves. Here you can see the corn. It's almost ready. Here I'm picking the leaves of the beans. Yo. As you can see here, still people at the village eat the beans leaves. There are so many people who don't know whether the beans leaves are eaten, but here in Gusii Island in East Africa, we eat beans leaves. I'm still blocking some beans leaves. They're not that much because the beans are almost ready, that's why they are not that much here. As you can see, still I'm picking still. Remember, this is the village girl. Here the garden of the maize plantation, as you can see. I'm still blocking. It is almost time. It's like 4 o'clock in the evening now, and that's why I have come to show you all this planting. You can see how the height it is. The height is here, and I am here. Like it is, I am shorter than the cone itself. You can see how it is. Yeah, this is all the beans leaves. This is the village East African time from Kenya. It's now like 4 o'clock in the evening. It looks like it is going to rain, as you can see, but it has not started raining. We are still in the month of May, and we don't have such a much rain. It's like they go and then they still start raining. Remember, this is the plantation of corn from East African Kenya, from Gusii Island. The maize looks like a forest, but it's not a forest. Remember, this is Africa with agriculture. We are used to be hardworking people from East Africa and Kenya, from Gusii. This is the plantation of maize or corn. The other people call it corn. This is a house of someone here. Someone lives here. This is the village house. Someone lives here. This is someone's home, as you can see. You can see I had been inside here. inside here, this plantation here. That's where I had been in my video. Now I am heading, like I'm heading home. There's some things that I had hacking my clothes, like there is a plant, a tree that is called Touch Me Not. Now I'm heading home. This is the road home. I'm going back home now. Remember, this is the village, girl. Here in the village, everything, we don't buy other things like see the trees. So it's a kind of nice evening, as you can see. You will enjoy the village life. See even the roads, the small roads heading down to the river. We are heading home. This is a house of someone here, as you can see. This is another road heading to someone's house, as you can see. Oh, you have to be strong here in the village because everything needs strength. Wow! Subscribe my channel. This is Kerry speaking from East African Kenya. We also have the church here. These trees here. This is the church. Because we usually do it under the tree. The building, because they have bought some bricks. They are going to build to start the foundation. But for now, we are using here. This is the church here. This is where we usually use prayers. And there are some trees here. If it is hot, we enjoy the air, we enjoy the fresh air from the trees when we are seated here doing some prayers. This is Kerry. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and give a comment. I need your support, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.